Welcome to the CX Live Dialogues. I'm delighted to have with us today Khaled, the Regional Account Manager at Zoho Desk. Khaled has worked in the SaaS for 10 years at companies like Xero, Simpro, and now Zoho. Khaled's focus is on Zoho Desk, for which he is the Regional Account Manager. Zoho Desk helps businesses of all sizes to provide proactive and well-informed customer support. Outside of work, Khaled enjoys playing football and going to the gym. Welcome, Khaled. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Hi there, Aisha. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for the introduction. I sound better than I am.
Oh, I'm sure you're better than that, Khaled. But unfortunately, it's always a very condensed version that we can share. Now, in the context of UK's diverse customer base, how can organizations create personalization strategies that cater to various customer backgrounds and preferences?
Yeah, certainly. Well, so to effectively serve the UK diverse customer base, organizations should really prioritize building like a cultural competency within their teams. So, for example, ensuring that their strategies reflect the different cultural backgrounds. So, not only language translation, but also adapting messaging to reflect local customs and values. Additionally, rather than just relying on geographic segmentation, businesses should adopt psychographic segmentation, which considers like lifestyle, social choices, social class, sorry, and personality traits to deliver more personalized experiences. And AI tools can then fine tune these strategies by learning from continuous interaction data to adapt in real time.
Certainly, you've touched upon some really important points there. One is obviously the diversity, but then is also the influx of AI that is now being adopted by organizations. Now, given the fast-paced changes in the digital landscape, what innovative approaches can organizations take to re-engineer processes and sustain CX excellence amidst market shifts?
Yeah, certainly. So organizations need to embrace agile methodologies, allowing for quick adaptation and improvements in customer experience. So this means fostering a culture of innovation where employees are at all levels are encouraged to propose new and test new ideas. So organizations should also focus on creating omni-channel experiences that are not just consistent but also complementary, ensuring that each channel adds value to the overall customer journey. Investing in continuous learning for employees, for example, particularly in new technologies and customer trends, will further ensure that the organizations stay ahead of the market shifts.
Certainly. Now, in your experience, what are currently the most effective channels for customer engagement in the UK? And what strategies can enterprises use to ensure each of these channels delivers a cohesive and impactful customer experience?
So in the UK, mobile apps and messaging platforms are emerging as particularly effective channels for customer engagement due to their convenience and accessibility. To ensure a cohesive and experience across channels, businesses should also adopt a journey mapping approach, identifying key touch points where customers switch between channels. They should then focus on creating seamless transitions at these points, supported by robust back-end systems that sync customer information in real time. So really, the approach ensures that regardless of the channel used, the customer feels recognized and valued.
Certainly. Now, as technology continues to evolve, how can organizations strike a balance between adopting cutting edge technology as well as maintaining a consistent brand voice and reliable customer experience?
Yes, certainly. So balancing technological innovation with brand consistency requires a clear governance framework that aligns adoption with organizations' core values and customer promise. So before adopting new technologies, organizations should conduct pilot programs to gauge the impact on customer experience, and ensure that the technology enhances rather than disrupts the brand's narrative. So, continuous training programs can help employees stay aligned with brand voice, even as they adopt new tools. Additionally, maintaining direct channels for customer feedback and provide early warnings if a new technology starts to drift from the brand's established identity.
Very true. Thank you, Khaled. It's been a pleasure to have you join us today. We look forward to meeting you and the Zoho team at the Customer Experience Live Show in London in October. Until then, stay safe.
Thank you, Aisha. Nice meeting you. I look forward to it as well.
Likewise. Bye for now.
Bye bye.